MICG stands for Midlands Industrial Ceramics Group, and it came together as a group in October 2019 to submit a bid for a Strength in Places program fund. And what was really interesting at the time, we realized as a group that there was a lot of value in these meetings and catching up. So we've since been successful on the bid, and that work is happening. But we've carried on meeting as MICG and doing activities as MICG as really as a networking group, sharing best practice across the sector, keeping the finger on the pulse, and really discussing what are the challenges and how to go about it for the ceramic sector and the advanced ceramic sector in particular. Yeah, so we come across several different innovations needed, and we go across the whole range from reducing waste, improving efficiency, or indeed accelerating innovation. But really what is coming across very, very clearly is that it's beyond that. Really crucially is the deployment of innovation and what is needed for that. And really the discussion that moves around skills. So typically it requires a variety of skills, so multi-collaboration across different companies, academia and industry, but also capabilities, having the right equipment to take you through the proof of concept, small scale, to pilot plans and ultimately using them in the field. So last year, we had our first official outing as MICG at the Ceramics UK show. We came together just before COVID, so that was our first opportunity, and we had a really good experience. So this year we're back, bigger than ever. So there is a MICG pavilion where our members are co-locating. So we have Precision Ceramics, PCL, exhibiting, as well as Lucidian and the Amric Centre, and 3 of our academic partners, the Loughborough University, University of Birmingham, and University of Leicester. And then alongside that, we also have a session in the conference organisation where we're going to present about what the MICG is doing from a levelling up point of view, but we also then have more technical sessions across the first day. And then finally, we've got a MICG sponsored poster competition also in the main exhibition hall. As part of the MICG, we're very keen in developing skills. We've got interventions across all ages. So we've got lots of school activities to get more talent into the pipeline to come and work in the ceramics, then activities around undergraduates and postgraduates to retain them again within the ceramics area, all the way to upskilling existing workforce. So the poster at the Advanced Ceramics Show is really the opportunity to focus on the early researchers group, both from academia and industry, and give them an opportunity to present their work to a really wide audience, and also have that interaction and networking with people so that they can really start experiencing how can they explain the value of their work to different people with potentially different interests. There will be 5 themes. So the posters will cover process innovation, modeling, artificial intelligence and sensoring, delivering net zero, ceramics for extreme environments, and additive manufacturing. They will be visible for anybody to appreciate during the whole of the 2 days, but it would be great if you could take the time to go and meet the authors who will be there next to their posters at lunchtime on the first day. What we found very interesting last year and this year is that face-to-face interaction, especially when, for us being last year a new group on the scene. So we had great discussion last year. They carried on through Teams, meetings, and so on during the year, but it's great then to refresh those or indeed meet new people face-to-face again this time in June. So we are really looking forward to catch up with all the other great exhibitors there, with the visitors coming, people presenting at the conference, hearing what we're saying, and generally really showcase what we're doing and see what's going to come next.